we have reached to our last option. So let us just click on admin utilities button and move to the last tab, archives. And what this archive do, this is just offloading the data. The difference between archive and backup is this: backup is just saving a copy of the entire data. That means what all data the template is having, even after the backup, all those data will be there with the template only. But it is just taking a copy of the entire data. Okay, whereas in the case of archives is taking out only the selected financial year book data, and also the taking out means that will be removed from the template, so that data will not be available after archive in our template. Okay, so it is always good to do the archive when the data is no longer required for us, so that template will have less number of records, so the performance can improve. So that is always better to archive the data when it is not required. Okay, see, this is actually 4 or 5 years old data has to be offloaded. Now we have only 2 years, basically not required to offload the data. However, to demonstrate how it is functioning, okay, I'll just change the active book of accounting to 2023. Now the active book is 2022. So I'm just closing it down. I'm going to preferences, go to accounts, change to 2023 and set. Year of accounting is changed to 2023. Okay. Now come back to admin utilities and archives. Okay. Now the open book is 2023. Now let us start with selecting a location to save the archive file. I'm just going to save it in desktop only. Click OK. And I will upload the records for the year 2022. Before that, I will show the records. Let us browse the receipts. There are 2022 receipts are there, and 9 records are there. And in the case of invoice, we have got 17 records. Okay, 17 invoices are there. Only one invoice which is belonging to 2023. Rest all are belonging to 2022. Now let's archive the book 2022. The location is already there. Select the year which you wanted to archive, and the file name is mentioned over here. So this will be the file name to this location. So click on archive. Yes, our operation is success. Book for financial year 2022 is successfully archived. Okay, and it gives a small statistics that these are the records, these are the number of records which is archived, and file location with the name is already given here. I'm just clicking on OK. Now let's just browse it. Receipts, no receipts are there because there was only 2022 records there. And let us see what happened to invoices. See, 2023 is there, but no 2022 records are there. Okay, so that's what is happening with the archive. So all the data will be uploaded for the selected financial year. Okay, so be careful about which financial year you are going to archive. Basically, archive is a good activity, but be careful while you are doing. That's all. I'm just closing down this template. This is our archive file. We have saved it to the desktop only. So our archive file is here. Let us open. Same like backup. It is a password protected data file. So I'm just closing it. Okay, cancel. Close. So that's all about our Clinic Master 1.0. So we have covered all the area, and I'm eagerly waiting for your feedback. So thank you. Thanks a lot.